Today we're going to look at creating a little audio player. Now I've set up the basics of an HTML file, just the head, title, links to the style sheet and so on, body class equals default. And then I'm going to move on to creating an H1 ID equals song title, and I just have the word music there. So it's just a header, but I gave it the ID of song title. And now let me spread out, get a little bit more room here. And the next thing I'm going to do is create a division called ID. You can see that right there. I'm sorry, called audio player. It has an ID called audio player, the division. And that's what we're going to put some stuff in. Inside of it, we're going to put some audio to slash audio. The word controls means that we will have the play and the pause button and all that, the stop button on there. I want to have my controls on there. And then I'm going to put in a source. The source is going to be, in this case, equal to the media audio 99%.mp3 file. We've seen that before. Type equals audio slash mp3. And then I'm going to, up in the top, create a little script. Okay, we're going to take a look at this area here in the audio player area, from audio to slash audio. That's the inner HTML of the audio player object, and that's what we're going to want to change in a function. So the function is going to be called change song, and you notice I gave a little room for the parameters because we're going to have two parameters, song and title. When I change that 99%.mp3 to a different file, it'll change, and the ID of song title, that inner HTML there, I'm going to change from the word music to something different because, of course, I'll be changing the song. So that's the reason why we have two parameters. Now, to create that, you notice on line 20 I have audio controls, source, src equals. I've got that all the way up to media slash audio, and then I don't have the name of the file. And then after I finish the name of the file, I have I close a quote and I have type audio slash mp3 slash source slash audio. So all that is the ending part. What I don't have is the song in between. So I'm going to create a variable called answer that equals the beginning of that first line plus the song plus the ending. So in other words, my current lines 20, 21, and 22 are going to be replaced by whatever this answer is. So it just takes that answer, puts it right into there. That's the inner HTML replacement. Document.get element by ID audio player dot inner HTML equals answer. And then as far as the title goes, well, whatever the title I've got listed in there, that's what ought to be replaced by in the song title element. So the first thing I do is I create a button. Now I named it USA just because this came in the USA. Not really a very good name for it. Doesn't really matter. The value is what matters. It says yes, it works. On click change song, handle messiah.mp3 and Alleluia. So Alleluia will be the title and handle messiah.mp3 is the song that will play. I'll add a few others. I've got one from Scotland, the Dominican Republic, and Peru. And of course I put in that wisdom from Yunker. It says right here the title wisdom from Yunker. Now let's take a look at the actual site here, and you see it begins with the word music right here at the top because I haven't changed anything yet, but what loaded,
if it's 99% right, then it's 100% wrong.
That's right, that's what loads automatically. But if I click this button here, yes, it works. It now says Alleluia. So that's all working great. And my control buttons allow me to pause that. Click on the Scottish song and I can hear some bagpipes. I can click on the Peru song and hear the pan flute. Or I can click on a Dominican song, get some island music. But what I really want to do is remind you the wisdom of Yunker.
If it's 99% right, then it's 100% wrong.